Now that we've completed the installation process on our local machine, it's time to give our local user a local vault view. So this is done by going to the SOLIDWORKS PDM administration tool. So we're going to go down to our start menu, start typing, open up the administration tool. You can see here, unlike before when we were doing administrative work on the server machine, the server that we were working with automatically populated and a couple other things. So let's go ahead and connect that now. So I'm going to go to File, Add Server. Notice the server port is 3030. And from the drop down, we should be able to choose the available server. So here you'll see it's the car booth 25 PC, same as before. Click OK. As you can see, we've now added that server. And you can see the vault below. Because this is the first time accessing it, it's asking me to accept the license agreement for PDM. So I'm going to go ahead and say OK. Now it wants the administrative username and password for that vault. We've got admin and no password. I'm going to log in so I can see the vault and all the things that the administration tool can control. But I still don't have a local view on my machine. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on that vault and select Create Local View. Now what this is doing is asking you for the location where you want the local view to be. Typically, if you're going through your business and doing this on multiple machines, you want to select the same location for all machines. What that's going to do is ensure that once you have data inside the vault, other users, when they log into EPDM, won't have errors because they have a different location for their vault. And therefore, that'll make it so that the file references will look incorrect. So try to stick it on the C drive for everybody and with all their other applications. That's usually the easiest way to go. Or if all of your users have a dedicated storage drive where they'd like to keep the vault view because they know they're going to be using a lot of files and have a lot of storage space taken up, you can do that as well. There's no problem with that. Just try to keep it consistent throughout all the users. So we're right here in the top Windows C. I'm going to just go ahead and select folder. I do want to make this file vault accessible for all users on the computer. You can make it only accessible to the current user or the administrative users, or if you have a lot of people using machine, a set of users. I'm going to go ahead and select yes. Yes again. I'm going to go ahead and use my admin password. And what that's doing is signing me into the vault as the admin. So you can see now we've initiated the SOLIDWORKS PDM interface in Windows Explorer. If I back up to Windows C, I can see my vault right here. I've also got a shortcut now in my quick access location so that I can get in there quickly. Now right now we don't have anything in our vault, but if we right click and go new, we can add our first folder. And you'll notice the green folders show us that we're working online. So if you go to Tools, you'll see that we can work offline or online. We're currently online and in the vault, which means we've connected to our vault view. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I'm going to go down below in my system tray, click on the blueberry and log off as the admin. And then I'm also going to exit the administration tool. When you open up the administration tool and access a vault and sign in, that counts as one of your logins for your seats of SOLIDWORKS PDM. So when I was logged in on the administrative tool and also logged into the server on my machine, I was actually using 2 seats of SOLIDWORKS PDM simultaneously. So that's something to note if you find that you're running out of SOLIDWORKS PDM users available when you go to do administrative work. There are ways to minimize that by logging out ahead of time and things like that. Right now, that's all you need to do to create your local view.